Obviously refitted a subwoofer and amplifier to this vehicle, so it's come from his old vehicle. This is one of our previous installs that we've done. So we paired up the Pioneer GMD 8701 1600 watt. So that is your mono amplifier on your Pioneer box. This is 1100 watts, I believe, for the box. So in terms of them two, obviously we have the amp screwed onto your back seat because you still wanted it to be able to drop the back seats, still put stuff in, and have it easy enough access to slide this around without having to disconnect anything if he needs to. Now with this, obviously once we have closed the boot, obviously round at the front of the vehicle now, obviously we have the bass controller mounted directly in the center of the unit here. So with it mounted directly in the center, it's easily accessible. Obviously there's no problems in terms of being able to reach the controller, so you can turn it up and down. So as you can see, neatly finished on there. So if we come round, we're going to play a few songs and you'll see the difference between the songs. So if on here we go back a little bit, so with the bass controller all the way down, you can hear very much locals and a little bit of bass. Let's see if we make sure we turn that back down again. So if now we turn the bass controller up a little bit, I'll then show you what it sounds like with a little bit, and then introduce more and more bass as the song goes on. As you can see, the bass levels on the vehicle are quite loud, and that is only from a single 12-inch. Its overall performance of the car has made it a lot louder, a lot clearer. So if this is something you would like to get done, give us a call and we'll sort that out for you.